This is Hero Friends, right? Protecting families, protecting pack. I'm doing a video to I'm connecting my cell phone to my computer, and I figured, hey, you know what? I have a pretty good cell phone, right? So I had a really good camera on it, so why not use it? So I figured out how to connect it. There's an app called Iridium, and with that you could kind of just connect it, put the light source on, and you're good to go. Let's see how it goes here. But I don't know. I don't know if I actually like it. It looks kind of weird. Maybe I'm not used to it. This is supposed to be higher quality or something, but noticing a lot more details on my face that I'm like, oh, So might not be a good thing or whatever. I might need to put some makeup on or something. I don't know. But anyway, so let me show you the thing here is called IRIUN. You install it, the Windows app here, and then you install it on your phone, and basically it creates a server, and your phone just connects to it on your Wi-Fi, and you're pretty much good to go. That's kind of it. Which is kind of cool because I can then maybe live stream I can webcam my lake where I have a green light there to track fish. So maybe I could set up an old camera phone there, just kind of 24/7 just streaming that thing over my Wi-Fi, and then maybe I could like live stream that or something like that. And you can actually put this in OBS and whatever, so might be pretty cool. So it can be like a live stream server kind of thing. So yeah, I mean it's pretty simple to install. All you do is kind of just install it, and you just pretty hands off. You just like, wow, that's it. So it's pretty simple light program. Definitely enjoy it. So try it, see how it goes, and go from there. All right, talk to you then.